Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Sorry, because the air pollution problem in Hong Kong is too serious, so I have to change a place to talk with you guys. By the way, my name is Charles. Let me tell you the reason of the air pollution problem in Hong Kong. Every day, there are millions of cars keep burning petroleum to provide a convenience network of transportations. Besides, millions of restaurants keep burning fuels to supply food for catering service. Many different gases like ozone, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides will also be emitted. These gases do bring out the air pollution problem in Hong Kong.
According to the definition provided by World Health Organization, air pollution is contamination of the indoor or outdoor environment by any chemical, physical, or biological agent that modifies the natural characteristic of the atmosphere. Household combustion device, industrial facilities, motor vehicle, and forest fire are the common source of air pollution. Some studies propose that plants can help to improve the air quality nearby. Does it really effective in improving the air quality? Let's take a look on the interviews to see how the people think about it.
It's okay, not bad.
I think the air quality in city is quite good.
I think the air quality in city is not very good.
I think inside city it's okay, but at the Cornwall Street, there the air quality is very poor.
I think maybe somewhere near the green area, maybe it should be better.
Oh, definitely.
There are some good areas that not far enough.
I think yes.
In order to test the ability of plants to improve the air quality, experiments have been conducted. A pollutant catcher was required in this experiment for catching the air particles in the atmosphere. So now, let us see how the experiments work.
The following materials are lit in the experiment. First, use the scissors to cut the paper dish into a smaller size. Then, make use of the marker and ruler to draw a square with length 5 cm accurately in the middle of the dish. Next, cut 2 holes in the paper dish with the paper punches, and smear a layer of vaseline inside the drawn square of the dish. After that, use a string to tie the dishes up. Finally, we are going to hang the dishes in the chosen areas, which is Mong Kok, Kowloon Tong, and Shan Wan, respectively. First, we choose Mong Kok because it is a commercial area with busy traffic. For Shan Wan, because it is an office area with relatively less traffic. And we choose Kowloon Tong because CTU is located there and it is more related to us.
The dishes was hanged from 21st of February to 27th of February, and we have recorded the results in day 1, day 3, day 5, and day 7 respectively.
After we getting the results, we draw 4 0.5 cm times 0.5 cm squares on each dishes, and then we count the number of particles in each area, S1, S2, S3, and S4. And finally, we calculate the particles per cm cube in this equation, and we get the results. After we get the results, we put those data into a table to compare the difference between those places. Finally, we draw a bar chart for comparing the results. Chart, we can see that the areas with plants has more air pollutants. To conclude, the area with plants has a better air quality than that without plants. In exhaust gas, there are a lot of suspended particles. Those particles are traveling in different directions. For the larger particles, which travels to the plants, can be trapped by the leaves of the plants easily. How about the smaller one? Let's take a deeper look into a leaf. On the leaf surface, there are small holes called stomata. Under the sunlight, the leaves will carry out photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide will pass through this hole, and as a result, the oxygen will pass through this hole too. Similarly, the small suspended particles will also come into this hole. The whole process is like this. And this is the way the plants reduce air pollutants. A professor called Dr. Thomas, who is come from the Lancaster University of UK. He works with his colleagues to find the relationship between plants and the air pollutants. They published the results in the American Chemical Societies. He explained that the old report only showed that the plants can reduce air pollutants in only 5%, and his report showed that the NO2 and the suspended particulates can be reduced to 40% and 60% respectively. He also found out that if the plants can decide in a cannon shape to construct an urban street canyons, the air pollutants can be absorbed easily by the plant and is more effective.
To improve the experiment, some professional apparatus such as microscope, magnifying lens can be used to count the particles. Also, we can repeat our experiment in more locations, more dishes, and different time period.
So how about the limitations? Air particles and pollutants can be easily stuck onto the dishes with Vaseline due to their physical properties, because they are solid state. However, this experiment cannot fully represent the whole picture of the air pollution problem.
Since some gaseous pollutants was the major factor contributed to the air pollution problem, counting the number of particles can just show part of the result. Our experiment just can talk about how plants can help to remove the invisible particles. For the invisible particles, I think we can look to Dr. Thomas' report. From our experiment and the professional scientific research, we can now see our hypothesis is true. Plants can reduce air pollutants. In order to have a fresher air in our daily lives, we suggest you try to put more plants in your home, contributing to have a greener environment. Bye bye.